Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to type in another language on Android keyboard. Alright guys, let's get into it. Go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the general management setting, this one. Tap on the general management. Then you're going to tap on the keyboard settings. Okay, on this keyboard setting, you have to select languages and types and tap on the manage input languages, and here you can manage your input languages. If you want to type in another language, make sure that you activate the language right here. You just need to tap on this toggle button to activate another language, and for example, I'm going to activate my Chinese language. Tap on the toggle button. But if the language isn't available right here, you have to download the language that you want to use. You can download the language on the available languages right here. You can tap on this download button to download the language. And for example, I'm just going to use the downloaded languages. I'm going to select Chinese and Arabic as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can switch the language on the keyboard. I'm going to open my keyboard. Okay, and if you want to switch the language, you just need to swipe left on the space button right here. Swipe left or swipe right, it's the same. Okay, like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can type in another language on Android keyboard. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.